Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to add a auto sequence number to a Excel column using Python. So let's start the tutorial. The command is py create auto excel.py, my file name.py. When I click enter, notice it's prompting enter the starting number. Here I am adding the starting number 1 and ending number I am adding 100. If you can add more than 100, the range you can add, but the starting number must be lesser than the ending number. When I click enter, notice I got successfully created auto sequence to an Excel column. Let's open. Our file name is ABC. Here see ABC. Let's open that one. See here we got ABC SQL number up to 100.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial I am using Visual Studio Code. First let's open our folder which is a Python-tutorials. And here it is, our folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now inside this folder I will create one new Python file called create auto number excel.py, and here we got the newly created Python file is open. Now my aim is how to create a auto sequence number to an Excel column using Python. So first, when we are dealing with an Excel using Python, there are different modules available, but one of the module I am using here, openpyxl. Let's import that one from openpyxl. Import workbook. W is captured in the workbook. Select that one. After that, I want to the range, the sequence number range I want to enter by the user. So I am adding the starting number. Start number is equals to integer type. I am typecasting input. Enter the start number. Start number is equals to, let's copy this one, paste here. This is the n number, and this one also I am changing to n number. So now we got here starting number, ending number. Now we have to create our workbook. So I am creating one object. WB is a workbook method. Now worksheet is equals to workbook.active. After that I am using for loop for x in range. The range is, see, starting and stop values. The starting number, this is the starting number I am adding, and n number. Here notice I am adding +1. The starting number, if you enter 1 here, the starting number if you want to enter 1 here up to 10, you will get 9 only. So you need to add +1 at the end, n number. Then worksheet dot append method. In this append method I am adding x. X is the string type. That's it. Now we need to workbook dot save method. Save. Now if you notice here in my Python tutorials, let's add one abc.xl. The extension is xlsx. We don't have abc Excel file here in our folder. Let's open Windows Explorer, Python tutorials. See here, we don't have abc Excel file. This is JSON file. We don't have XML file. So let's save. After save, I want to print successfully created created auto SQL number, SQL sequence to an Excel column. That's it. Let's save this file, save all. We'll check the final output of our application. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. The command is py create auto envo.excel.py, my file name.py. When I click enter, notice it's prompting enter the starting number. Here I am adding the starting number 1 and the ending number I am adding 100. If you can add more than 100, the range you can add, but the starting number must be lesser than the ending number. When I click enter, notice I got successfully created auto sequence to an Excel column. Let's open. Our file name is ABC. Here see ABC. Let's open that one. See, here we got ABC SQL number up to 100. Now again one more, let's check again. Clear. Let's close this one. Let's test one more time here. Enter. Now the starting number is 1 and the ending number is 10. Now when I click enter, successfully created auto sequence to an Excel column. Now let's open again ABC. See, here we got the auto sequence number is created from 1 to 10. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to create an auto sequence number to an Excel column using Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.